Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here to compare two popular wearable, or to compare the popular Watch Ultra clone to the latest, and it's becoming a popular smartwatch, the S10 Ultra 2. So we are going to compare again the T900 Ultra 2 versus the S10 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Both are Ultra 2 smartwatch and both wearable is using the iWatch Pro Support App. So that's why we are very interested to see if they have the same menus and features as well as the style. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video comparison review of the S10 Ultra 2 versus the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start and compare these two wearables. As you can see here, both do have a black body frame, the same size, 49mm, with a flat or semi-glossy finish. Both do have the same size of ground button as well as the side button here. We also have here the orange action button. So even the finish here is similar, and the location of the speaker and the mic. Okay, pressing this will activate the sports function. Yes. Okay, it's just the same. Going back. At the back, so let's check. Again, our T900 Ultra have a flexible silicone strap. Our S10 do have a nylon strap, but you can also change it to black strap with a 7-in-1 strap here. So there's a lot of options for strap with the S10 Ultra 2. The back cover here is pretty different, as you can see. The S10 Ultra 2 do have a real screws as well as we have a watch strap lock. While for our T900 Ultra 2, we don't have a real screw here. It is just a graphic, the same with a watch strap lock. So in terms of design, the S10 Ultra do have a much better design, just because it has a real watch strap lock and screws, while for the S10 Ultra it's all just a graphic, it's fake. But when it comes to the body frame, I think it is just the same smartwatch. I think the same manufacturer. Okay, for the support app, both the smartwatch is using the iWatch Pro application. Okay, going now to the UI of the wearable. So let's go first and change the watch face. Okay, how about this one? Okay, as you can see here, both do have an animated and common watch face here. Usually this watch face is available in other Watch Ultra clone, regardless of manufacturer. For the UI, on top we have the push notifications. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings here, or shortcut to the important settings. We have the Bluetooth here, menu style. How many menu style we have? 6. We have at least 6. The same with this one, the T900 Ultra 2. Again, this is the T900 Ultra 2 and this is the S10 Ultra 2. We have a flashlight here. We do have a gesture here, just different for the S10. The S10, we do have the Bluetooth music. Okay, so we have here the airplane mode and we have the do not disturb mode. On the other side, left side, we have the same split screen here, as you can see. On the right side, watch faces. Okay, you can swipe or change the watch face just by swiping it. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so now we are going to explore the different features of the S10 Ultra 2 and the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so both do have a Bluetooth call. As you can see here, we do have a dialer. We do have a phone book. Let's check for the heart rate. The same animation here. We have blood oxygen, health recycling, ECG, and sports. So the same arrangement for the menus and features here. Sports, we have running, bike riding, volleyball, and football. So the same number of sports function. I think they have the same. Okay, it's safe to say that they have the same operating system as well as the version of the OS. Maybe let's check later on. We have camera, ECG, blood pressure, music control function, reset, weather report, looking for, sleep monitoring, menu style. Again, we do have at least 6 menu style. Message notification, stopwatch, QR code, and more. So let's see if there are some changes here. Change the watch, Siri. Okay. So here on our T900, there's more options. About, backlight time. So there's a difference here. Again, let's check. We have the change watch face. This one, I don't know what this is. Okay, turn your. It is shortcut. Okay, we have dynamic, about, set language, backlight time, split screen. We also have it here. Back brightness. Also have it here. Bed lamp mode. Yes, we also have it here. Side key settings. We also have. Set date. I think this one and the dynamic is there's a dynamic and I don't know what this is. Okay, but there's 2 options here that is not available in our S10 Ultra 2. Going back, and we have what else? Menu style. We have Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, games. Let's see. Fighter Pilot, the same games. We have calendar, calculator, breath training. Okay, so the same features except for the about section or in the settings where there's an additional 2 features for the T900 Ultra 2. Let's check the version before we proceed to the heart rate. More. We have the about section here. So T900 Ultra and we have the T10 Ultra. So different version, but they almost have the same layout here. 2023 1212. Well, this one 2023 1102. Going back. For the heart rate, let's check. Which is faster in terms of providing results. So the accuracy for both smartwatches is questionable. Okay, so we'll just focus on the speed of providing results. You have the heart rate here. Let's check. On back. So let's check the heart rate. The same animation here. 85. So almost the same speed here, but they have very different results. For me, I think it is just a fake sensor for both smartwatches. Anyways, if you just only need the basics, you can receive notifications with the smartwatch as well as the time, and you like a Watch Ultra clone, I guess it's okay. But in terms of accuracy for the health and the steps, that is it's not reliable. Again, for the design, let's take a quick look at the S10 Ultra 2 and the T900 Ultra 2. One back, sports. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of our S10 Ultra. This is the S10 Ultra and the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video review, the video comparison, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye.